Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove items in cart on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove the items in your cart on Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app guys, on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the cart option available for us. Tap on the cart option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and all of your items which you had added on your cart on your Temu will be over here. For example, at the top of the screen guys, you can see these two items which I had added to my cart, and there is the estimated total as well. Now in order to remove those items from the cart, you can see guys, just beside the name of the product on the cart, there is the dumpster icon. For example, over here is 120 watts super fast charging USB, and at the right side of it there is the dumpster or the delete icon for each particular item available in cart. If you tap on that icon, your items on the cart of Temu will be removed like this. And with that being said guys, this is how to remove items in cart on your Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.